Concept one, organize around value. So on your SAFE journey, the first big step is learning how to organize around value. We start by identifying, understanding, and aligning around what value streams exist in your organization today. Now, this can be one or this can be many, but the important part is understanding how each goes from concept to cash. Knowing if a value stream is operational in nature or delivery-based helps us understand and identify all the skills that are truly needed to deliver value. Using this information, the SAFE framework will help you create new, highly effective virtual structures called Agile Release Trains, or ARTs. These Agile Release Trains will cross traditional organizational structures and silos and form a new virtual network of team members dedicated and empowered to delivering success in that value stream. We invite you to reach out to us at clearlyagile.com for a free assessment to see if SAFE is the best fit for your organization.